Just got this windshield washer pump from my 92 Geo Tracker. The one in it is probably original, 30 years old. Probably should get new wipers too, but yeah, it's not working. So when I bought this, I noticed that it's made for many different vehicles. It makes sense. Automotive manufacturers will save money if they just get a universal pump that fits in different vehicles. So this was $20. Hopefully it works as long as the OEM one does. Let's see if we could get 30 years out of this. ACI washer pump 177690. That side's really good. This side has one spray. It's probably all clogged up, but there you go. 3 sprays and one good spray right here. But it works. This shouldn't be too hard to figure out. Here's the pump right here. Just gotta unplug it. Let me figure all of this out. The plug's simple. You just squeeze this right here. Pulls right out. Let's pull this hose off. This is for the washer fluid. Pulled the old pump out. Here's the new one. Doesn't come with a new gasket. Here's the old gasket. Should still work. And the hose right here. So just put the gasket on the new pump and then plug in this hose, plug in the electrical connection. We should be good. Simple. The old gasket is leaky, so I'm going to use rescue tape. This will supposedly seal up a radiator hose, so it should be fine on a windshield washer pump. Rescue tape. This should seal it up. Changing the wiper blade on my Geo Tracker. Pull this up. See, this thing is falling apart. I'll probably paint this later. So pull this. This should like snap right off. Let's see. Let me take this off camera really simple. You just pull it down, it comes right off, and then this new one should just snap right in. Yeah, you just put it into a notch, that's it, and it locks on its own. And then the old one, I just had to pull it down really hard and it came right off. 17-inch wiper blade, pretty universal, like $7. And then the other side, when I bought this, I turned on my windshield wipers and it came off, so I just had to zip tie it. These ones are still good actually, but I'll change it anyway. But I gotta cut this to get to the other one. There you go. All it is a 17-inch wiper blade. That's it. The other side, it's just a loop, and then it just locks in place. It's already installed, pre-installed on the wiper blade. And just give it a pull. It's there, locked in place. So when I put new blades in, I just grab some pliers and just break them. That's it. But this is the one that had the zip tie on it, so the hardware was already brittle, so I think that's why it came off. But I went ahead and got a new one. The other one was falling apart. This one wasn't falling apart, but I just decided to get a new one.